In Jacksonville, the process continues for determining what action the city will take on Confederate monuments. Council president asked for an inventory of them on city property and plans to speak with Parks and Recreation soon. Are there laws that would influence the decision by Jacksonville on keeping monuments in their place? I spoke with Anna Lopez-Brosche and a former federal prosecutor about that today. Monuments coming down in the dead of night like Annapolis, Maryland this week. Jacksonville City Council President Anna Brosche wants comprehensive discussion, not premature action.
I don't want to say that everybody's got the wrong answer, and I think the different communities are deciding what they believe is the best action to take. And I think that's just like Jacksonville needs to decide what's best for Jacksonville.
Brosche asked for an inventory, but will ask for much more information before deciding on a course of action. That includes research on current laws for the city, the state, and the nation.
It's all part of a very measured process of understanding what we have, why it's there, what options are, and what laws apply in the process, including, where would they go if it even came to that, and how much would it cost, and who pays for that? I mean, these are all questions that have to be answered.
Well, of course, they're going to go to the Office of General Counsel, who will do research, and my research suggests that there's no prohibition about it.
Attorney Curtis Fallgetter looked for federal laws that may apply after we got a tip about what a viewer believes prohibits removing relics. Federal law he found seemed to deal initially with Native American artifacts.
Eventually expanded to national parks and other monuments, but only on federal property. So, as you might expect, the acts of Congress normally aren't going to extend to private property or state property. So the federal statutes don't appear to be broader than what's on federal property.
A handful of states in the Southeast have laws banning the removal of these Confederate monuments, including Georgia.
Those are all kind of under scrutiny again, and whether they remain intact will depend, of course, on those state legislatures.
I think that's just a healthy part of the dialogue of really listening to constituents and hearing from, what people have to say.
Brosche says she does not expect anything to happen decisively in the next week, but she also said she doesn't want things to drag out either. Full city council meets again this Tuesday at 5.